Hey guys, I'm standing inside my front door here. You checked out my last video, you guys loved it. We got a crazy challenge, but we gotta be quiet because if the wife finds out, I'm in deep trouble. Shh. Alright, let's check this out, guys. Look at that, guys. I got an entire house filled with cups. I did my study, living room, couch area. But we gotta make this quick, guys, because if the wife finds out that I'm doing this, she's gonna kill me. Well, let's see how well this smart robot vacuum can handle all this craziness. Okay, I couldn't help myself, but I had to build some cool towers, so we'll see if this robot vacuum will knock him over. So, it looks like it's doing a good job. Alright, be gentle there, buddy. Well, it looked like this guy enjoyed being a wrecking ball and basically knocked over all the cups. Okay, next challenge, let's see how well this guy can get back to his docking station. Looks like there's a bunch of cups in the way, so I highly doubt that he can navigate to its docking station. Well, I guess I underestimated this robot vacuum. I guess it used the rug to burrow itself through and make a tunnel and avoid all the cups. Wow, that was quite impressive. Well, it looks like the robot vacuum stuck. This is the Roborock S6 MaxV with the front-facing camera. I do have it enabled and it's on its sensitive mode, so it should be able to avoid these cups. And if there's something blocking, it should just be able to stop. But it looks like this guy is really trying its best to push through and keep on chugging along to find his docking station. Well, if you do like these types of videos, please give me a big old thumbs up. Every thumbs up, like, subscriber really does help out the channel. I do appreciate all you guys' support. You guys have been awesome throughout the years. Now for 2021, I have decided to revamp my channel a little bit. I'm going to do less product reviews, but I'm also going to try to do some crazy challenges just to keep you guys interested. And it seems like these are pretty popular videos. So stay tuned to some more crazy challenges with robot vacuums. But for this video, we're going to see how well the Roborock S6 MaxV can navigate these obstacles and try to do a cleaning challenge. Most of these robot vacuums have a camera system for navigation, but the Roborock S6 MaxV is one of the few robot vacuums that have the ability to view the live camera feed for the user. The benefit of having this is you can actually check up on your home when you're away, act like a mobile security device, or you can check up on your pets. There's like a one-way audio, so you can speak to your pets. It's a nice little feature. And lastly, if you have trouble areas, you can actually view what the robot's viewing and figure out why the robot vacuum keeps getting stuck. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video a bit so it doesn't bore you, but we'll see how well the Roborock S6 MaxV does with this clean challenge. I put a bunch of cups down, and I know this isn't really realistic, but it kind of shows the navigation abilities of these robot vacuums, and the S6 MaxV is probably one of the best ones I have so far. So, what the Roborock does is actually starts with the perimeter sweep, and then it fills in that perimeter with a back and forth cleaning pattern. This is found on a lot of robot vacuums these days. It's a very similar pattern, but really what determines or sets the Roborock apart is its ability to navigate effectively. Also, with all these obstacles, the Roborock was able to incorporate that in its map and figure out the best way to clean around them without pushing the cups around too much. Okay, so if you've been following my channel, if you've been keeping up with Roborock vacuums for the last year or so, the biggest thing that's been changing with these guys are the front-facing camera. The EcoVax T8 has it, and also the Roborock S6 MaxV. So another benefit of having a front-facing camera is it uses object recognition or computer vision to recognize objects. So for example, if you have like shoestrings, power cables laying around, even like sandals, it will actually recognize that and effectively go around it. Now the downside is there's only a limited number of obstacles that the Roborock vacuum has in its database. So for this example, plastic cups aren't recognized, but you can see that it still is able to go around these plastic cups and not really move them around too much. I have always had a strong passion for Roborock vacuums. I just think they're so cool and they really make life a lot easier since they just go out and clean without any issues. Now my very first Roborock vacuum was the Roomba 500 series back in college. I know it's been like forever, but the 500 series is definitely a milestone because it had the ability to recharge. Now that's something that we take for granted with these Roborock vacuums these days, and we're definitely looking into more features. I know that the Roborock S7 is coming out soon, and the highly anticipated self-emptying bin, so I'm super excited to try that out when I do get that. So if you have any questions about these Roborock vacuums, or if you're in the market to get one, let me know. I'll be more than happy to walk you through what type of things to look for, what type of features you should get, and what type of features to avoid. So with that being said, we're going to go and wrap up this video. It looks like the Roborock's almost done cleaning, so let's go and see how well it can get back to its docking station. This is kind of a fun little video, and I wanted to see how well this little guy can navigate these obstacles. And it looks like it was able to get to its docking station, no issues. It was able to get to the target point. So good job, Roborock. I think you did a really good job in this challenge. Alright, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios.